Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you. It's going to be a long one. This is going to be for 3 days. I'm going to tape it today and give it to you. This is for Thursday the 12th, and it's also for Friday the 13th of February, and also for Sunday the 15th, because I'll be traveling. So here's halacha number 1 for you to listen to on Thursday, and it's this. You know generally that whenever you're eating foods and you're making a bracha, sometimes it happens that the bracha that you make on the main thing is the ikr, the main, and then there's something that's tafel to it. That means it's kind of like just dragged along, and you only make a bracha on the main thing, and the other things get kind of dragged along. Great example of that would be when you make a bracha on hamotzi, on bread at the beginning of the meal. The spreads that are on the bread, the meat that's with the bread, they're all gather along with it, and the one bracha on the bread covers for everything. You knew that. Now let's get to more specifics. Let's say I'm having crackers. They need a bori mine mazonos, and I'm spreading jelly or peanut butter, or jelly and peanut butter onto the cracker. In that situation, we halachically view the cracker, the mazonos, as the main thing, and the spread is just the thing that's going along with it. And there too, you would do the same thing that you do for bread, which is you would make a mazonos on the cracker, and that would cover for the peanut butter and for the jelly. And that'll be your Thursday halacha. Stop me here and listen to this part on Friday. Here we go. Here's your Friday for the 13th halacha. Ignore the superstition of Friday the 13th and get right to the halacha. Here it is. Let's say you're having a cracker, and on top of that cracker you're putting tuna. Now this time the tuna is not buttle to the cracker. It's its own entity. It's not just a spread. It's a food that you're putting on top of the cracker, and therefore, and they're not mixed together. If they were all mashed together in some kind of souffle, then yeah, things would be different. But you're having a cracker which needs a bori mine mazonos, and you're having tuna which needs a shahakol, and you will have to make 2 separate brachos in that situation. And might I just add that you will have to make the bracha on the cracker first, mazonos goes first, and then the shahakol. That's your Friday halacha. And now a quick little halacha for you for Sunday, the 15th of February. Here it goes. What happens when you're having milk and cereal? There, and let's for simplicity say that the cereal is a mazonos. Generally, halachically, we view it in normal situations as that you're having basically cereal, and you make a bori mine mazonos, and the milk just kind of enhances the cereal. It's buttle to it, and therefore in normal circumstances you make a bori mine mazonos on your mazonos cereal and no bracha on the milk. Even if you're one of those people that's going to have the milk, you know, that the milk that's left over at the end with all the sugar in it, and you're going to drink that milk down, it doesn't mean that it needs its own separate bracha, because it's still buttle to the cookies that you've been having, and therefore you make a bracha of one bracha, mazonos, and it covers for the milk that's in the cereal, and also for the milk that's left over in the bowl at the end. And then maybe we'll discuss on Monday, what if it happens that you're not eating the milk and cereal in that style, you're mostly having milk? That we'll discuss on a different day. Thanks for logging on, and log on again on Sunday night. We'll have brand new, fresh halacha for you for Monday. Bye-bye.